Hey everyone, it's Jillian, the CAD BIM instructor with the Robotech team. Have you tried setting up your own shortcuts in Revit? Well, if you're new to the program, keyboard shortcuts can help to increase your workflow and efficiency. So let's take a look at how to set up our own keyboard shortcuts in Revit. There are two methods of accessing this menu. First, we can go to the application menu if you're already on the home screen. If you click on the home button on the upper left corner, if you have a file open, you should see your project now. If you don't, you'll just end up with a blank screen, but you can still access the application menu. Click on the blue file tab on the upper left corner. Go down to options. In the dialog box on the left-hand side, click on user interface, and then you'll see customize next to keyboard shortcuts. You can also access this tab using the view tab in the ribbon. Go to the right end side and click on user interface, and then go down to keyboard shortcuts. Here you'll see a list of all of the out-of-the-box keyboard shortcuts that came with the software. In the top, you can click on the search bar and then type in the name of the command. So I'm going to go ahead and create a keyboard shortcut for my Manage Links dialog box. So I'll just type in Manage Links. You can type in the full name of the command or a keyword, and it should pop up in the list here. Go ahead and click on the name of the command. You can see if there's already a shortcut, and if there isn't, you'll see at the bottom a way to assign a new key or a set of keys for that tool. So here I'll use ML. I try and keep it simple. So here I'm just using the first letter of each of the words. Don't forget to hit the little green cross to assign it, then hit the OK. Now to test things out, we can go ahead and hit the two keys. So if you're new to using shortcuts, you just need to hit the two letters or the key combination to access that tool. No need to press enter, no need to hit spacebar like if you were in AutoCAD, just the two letters or the key combination. Here I can see the Manage Links opens up, so I know it works. Now if you also find the tool up in the ribbon, so for me, that'll be up in my Manage tab. Here we can see Manage Links, and if I hover over it, the tooltip will also feature the new keyboard shortcuts within the parentheses next to the name. Alright, if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, it'll help us out a lot, and check us out on LinkedIn.